guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to make a flower without using any glue, tape or any stapler. So yeah guys, let's start. But yeah, before starting, the materials which we need is the you need a rubber band, tissue paper and scissor. You can take uh, rubber also, or you can take any string or a wire. So yeah, let's start now. So firstly you need to take a tissue paper and you will just open this way like this. So yeah, over here I've just cut this. Now you need more tissue paper and you will cut the same way. So yeah, as you can see over here I've just cut this, and now I'll just assemble this. And now I will put the rubber band in between this. Yeah, let's just put. Now you will start peeling one by one like this way. So yeah, over here our beautiful flower is ready. So yeah guys, if you liked it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Ishita Shekhar Singh. So yeah, bye.